Live, guys and fam, Mr. Blitztech,
Revenue Engineers, and welcome to another episode of Chensō Man. Today we have episode 4. Let's just see what kind of nonsense we're going to get into today. Hey, what's good, fam? If you enjoyed this video, check out our TCN community where you will get private Discord access to join us in chatting about all things movies and trailers, participating in our debates, and even submit your requests on which ones we watch. You also get access to our full movies, animes, and series reactions, so don't miss out. The link to join the community will be pinned comment. Fucking hell, mate.
oh wow.
Lord, G.
Oh wow.
Talking about Hannibal Lecter, bruv.
Today's. Yep. Today's. Just touch it, bro.
Man, he said one word, bruv. No,
So
this is
big.
too much, bruv. Yo. Why are these people like? Ooh.
What the hell? Damn.
How are we starting like this today?
I just want to know how he gets his body parts back now. No way he's going to be armless.
I would say thing, innit?
Or blood.
Yeah. Some sort of. Wait, he never touched it, right?
No.
Pissed.
Yay. Oh?
Man ain't got enough blood, innit?
Damn.
Bruv, why are we seeing nipples like that, bruv?
Oh, sugar.
Hey!
Bro.
Bro, have we seen animation like this before?
Maybe a bit like Psycho Mob.
No, I'm talking about like in this.
No.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing him move like that.
What is she doing? Raw.
So he's got strength, speed.
Raw. Go on.
Bruh. No. Oh my
Oh,
god. Jesus.
Legit.
Yo. Yo. Come on.
Rotten. You do something.
Bruv, she's finished.
What the? Oh, bro, his eye socket is. You see his eye, bro?
Yeah, bro. Man's possessed.
Bro. whatever it's called.
What do you mean?
That dog.
What is he then?
Who? Him?
Him. He's like Denji, innit?
I don't think so.
Cause he made a contract with the devil as well.
Yeah, contract. I don't think that's the same.
Denji did the same thing with Pochita, the little chainsaw dog.
Yeah, but he like merged with. I don't think that's the same thing that happened.
Obviously, he didn't merge with him
Yeah, so that doesn't
because
make him
he
a
was
fiend.
dying.
Yeah,
That's
that
why
doesn't-
Pochita went inside him.
So that's why I don't think that makes him a fiend.
This guy, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, but Denji's not a fiend, is he?
Yes.
He's a fiend.
Yeah.
And so is Power.
Oh yeah.
He's just got a contract with
The devil, yeah. This is good, dude, bro. Oh shoot!
It's Power, bruv.
Is everyone just moving in?
I guess so.
Wow. She's taking the piss.
She's up to something, bro.
Yeah, bro, she's taking the mic. Man's babysitting now. I think this must be punishment or something.
For what?
Like you said, like, oh, you went out of your jurisdiction, but overlook it because of these things. Oh, is this the influence of Denji? Or Denji?
What the f- She don't eat food, innit?
Mm. Wow, her as well.
That is grim, bruv.
Nah, it's almost like she's almost like Denji, because obviously Denji, like I said, he grew up without like money or whatever.
Yeah.
So we was having a discussion before where I didn't know how to use the toilet, but she's almost as bad.
She's worse. I think she's worse. She's like an animal, fam. Oh!
No. Oh god. This is why you don't live the simple life.
Oh, wait. Oh, man.
What, you want to see the squeezes, bro?
I want to see the screens. After what my man went through, bro. Come
Bro.
on, the amount of bloody loss. Nah, bro, my man's got to see them squeezes, bro. What are we talking about?
This is why you don't live the simple life, bro. It's magic,
No.
though. Don't die for Nash.
The thing is,
No.
it's not even Yash, bro.
Exactly,
It is, bro. Like, that's what makes it worse. It's
Yo.
funny you say that because, like, my fam's seen raw. Cause when he was fighting the knot thing,
Which one? The second one?
the second one.
Leech Demon.
Oh, okay, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, you're going super
Yeah.
hard for some breasts, bro. Imagine if it's for some nyash, bro.
Is that it, bro?
What
Man
you-
will take down the whole thing, you know.
Man's turned to Super Saiyan
Is
7,
it?
bro. Like, what?
Yo.
Nah, it's just too funny,
Yeah, this
bro.
is a good episode, though. I
No,
like
for
this
sure.
episode. I want to see more about. I keep forgetting his name, but his story is interesting because I want to see everyone's backstory eventually because
Mhm.
I want to see how Power became what she is. They only showed a glimpse of she's just living in the wilderness for time. She would just like cut for animals' head and just yam it anyhow, bro.
Bro, the
That
way
was
they-
mad,
That was super graphic, bro.
isn't it? Just there, just
Like the it's, the thing is, yeah, you don't see it per se, but it's the movements
Yeah.
when she's drinking the blood.
That's
Like,
it.
How do you man get the movement so right? Like,
Yeah,
that was mad.
That was mad, and then my man's story about the whole wolf thing. But the fight, though, like I want to see. It's kind of good that they're showing that you without him changing to Chensō Man, he still has superhuman capabilities.
Yeah.
So that's actually pretty sick. I like that a lot as well.
Yeah,
so
you know
fiends
what?
have got like a base level.
Right.
then
And the thing
beyond.
is, I think that he didn't even know himself.
Mm.
Because like every time he went to fight in the
Okay.
past, he just turns Chensō Man because I guess that's all he knew.
Yeah.
But this time around, like because of lack of blood he had,
That's it.
instinct kicked in, and he just like, raw, like, I need to do this so I can get some tit, like, you know what I'm saying? So I just love that we get to see him with other powers without the Chensō Man. Do you know what I'm saying? Right, in terms of Chensō Man. The fighting is mad.
Yeah, the fighting is actually really good.
I really enjoyed that too.
Because I think only the first episode they showed it, which was good, but here was way different than the first.
This was way different.
Which is mad because obviously you'd think, oh, first episode, boom, do the most. Which I'm not saying they did.
Yeah, they did. Yeah.
But here, like you're saying, since he didn't transform, man, it's like, oh, how can we show the levels without? And bro.
Yeah, and I think they did it right as well because obviously if they want to get you hooked in, first episode, show Chensō Man moving mad. Because that's when we saw man.
Yeah, exactly. That was
like,
legit.
Super legit. And then like 2-3 episodes later, you're like, okay, let's show man at the base level without transforming into Chensō Man.
It's even better than the first.
Yeah, that was nuts.
What?
Like,
so
the thing, just having this much, and the guy just swinging, getting the cuts. No, that was super legit, man.
And they got us as well, where obviously like we thought man ran into the neck again and then did the chainsaw thing, but it was actually him that was bleeding. I thought that was like so they peppered the
this
thing.
guy, like,
that was legit.
That was legit, and the thing is, when you look at it, it actually does look like the wolf.
Yeah.
And the eyes of the wolf.
That's it.
That's super sick. Like you said before, man needs to see how we got that.
Yeah, how we got
man's
there,
talking about, I had to feed him. I always have to feed him something from my body. And this time was, 2 arm sleeves, like skin. Bruh, that's freaking mad. Like, it's funny because, like, a couple of episodes ago, Denji was like, I've given up an eye. I've given up my testicles. I think, are those the only 2 things? I think it was like 3 things he's sold before. So clearly in this world, it's almost normal to like give up body parts.
Yeah.
How? The concepts are just so freaking sick, but so good at the same time.
It reminds me of is it Devil Man? Reminds me a little bit. Like I said, like it feels like a new age version of a mixture of like old animes. Just like brought to obviously now man's.
No, you're right. Who was it? You're right because that the second demon they were fighting looked very 90ish anime. You know, with the tentacles and stuff. Like, because even that I was like, bruv, like, why are your tentacles looking like penis?
Yeah.
And then you just got like 6 nipples hanging, like that's you know what I'm saying? Like almost borderlandish hentai kind of.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like they are like treaded, not even treaded. They're clearly going there where it's like, oh, we're gore. You know, this is for all the themes out there.
Yeah, like even with power, like going to the toilet and blushing. Not even touching you, you're already blushing. Clearly, we've got some hentai creators. You know what I'm saying? In this thing, innit?
Well, that's why they got me back in because last episode I was complaining, but here I'm like, hey,
I'm trying to see something. But yeah, man, super legit episode. Ladies and gentlemen, do let us know your thoughts on this episode, and just let us know your thoughts on the powers, on the settings, the devils, all sorts of madness that's been happening, and we shall see you at the next episode. I'm Raven your GS.
Sam, Mr. Blitztech.
Peace.
What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing except for the war. Too many people died in this land. All that pain forced me to grow up.
What does that mean?
That even innocent, foolish children grow up in the face of pain.